Hello dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing is that the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? So let's start, and I feel like there might be little disturbances in between because there's construction going on behind me, behind the wall, okay? So please be with me, please. So let's see. Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let me pull this like this. Okay. Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Seven of Pentacles. Sagittarius, Saggy. I will call you Saggy, okay? Saggy, I feel like your partner right now is in the waiting mode. So they are waiting for something to happen. They have done everything that they could. Now they are waiting for the results. This is the Seven of Pentacles energy. So this person is waiting very eagerly for something to happen in their life. Okay, let's clarify. The Seven of Pentacles in their current energy. Let's clarify. Let's clarify this. The Seven of Pentacles in their current energy. Lovers, Empress, Queen of Swords. I feel like you could be dealing with a Gemini or a Libra, or yeah, I am feeling like these two signs are connected with you, Gemini or Libra. So I feel like this person is trying to take any kind of decision in their life regarding their love life, and they want to be in this Empress mode. They want to be creative, they want to be fun, they want to be flirty, they want you to be, they want right now, what they want is to be very clear about their intentions. Okay, they want clarity, and I feel like they are waiting for some kind of decision, might be from your side. This is the situation. Gemini could be dealing with the Gemini. The Lovers is here, the Empress is here, and the Queen of Swords is here. So I feel like this person is just waiting for the decision from your side, because I feel like they are very clear about their intentions. They have already told you what they want from you, and that's why right now this person might be waiting for your answer, for your permission might be to start this connection all over again, or they're just waiting for something very eagerly. Might be not showing it to you, but they are. Let's see what's your current energy. Yep, Saji. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Page of Swords. So Sagittarius, you are just spying on this person. You are spying on this person. You are, very blunt and honest with them. Might be bluntly cutting them out of your life right now, and right now you are spying on them as well. This is the situation. You are just keeping tabs on them. You are feeling like I should just watch what they are doing. I should know what they are doing. This is the situation here. Spying on them like FBI or something like that. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords in your current energy. Let's see. Seven of Swords, a Magician, and the Death. Okay, there is a secret that you are hiding, or there is a secret that will come out in the light, and this is the situation that you are manifesting. You are manifesting for a secret to come out in light. Just give me a second. There's some vehicle passing by. Vehicle. Yeah. So Sagittarius, what the fuck is happening today? I don't know. So I feel like right now you are manifesting for some kind of secret to come out of your, come out of them, or come out of this connection, and you want an end to this particular secret. So it is like you want an end. You are manifesting a secret to come out of, come out in light, and you are manifesting an end to this situation where there's secrets and mind games and something like that. This is the situation here. That's why you are spying on them. At least you are trying to. Okay. Let's see what this person feels for you. Their feelings for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. Son, I feel like this person feels very happy with you. Whenever they are with you, they feel like you are the one who makes them really happy. You are very attractive, you are very sexy, you are carrying lots of kiddish energy, childlike enthusiasm, childlike energy. Let's clarify the Sun in their feelings for you. Sun is clarified by the sun again. Happiest card in the deck. So this person definitely feels very happy whenever they are around you or with you. Page of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So this person is ready to have a brand new beginning with you. They are, they are developing some kind of new passion for you. Okay, and they're really slow to approach you because they are feeling I should go towards them with a very loyal energy. I should be stopped. I should be right now I should be very very slow to reach them, to reach the Sagittarius, because right now it is not the right time to approach you and talk to you. But right now this person is feeling that they should wait more, and they should wait for you to approach them. This is the situation. Sagittarius, I'm not able to speak today. I don't know why. Sometimes it is like blocked energy. There's something that is stopping me to do the reading today, but I will finish it no matter how hard it is. Yeah, let's see what this person wants from you, Sagi. Let's see what this person wants from you. What this person wants from you. Let's see. Five of Cups. This person wants you to come out of this depressed state of mind. So I feel like this person is feeling like you are depressed, you are grieving some kind of loss, you are doing something that is not, working out in your favor. So this person wants you to come out of this state where you are feeling lost and depressed and sad. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify further. King of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the King of Wands. Okay, so I feel like this person wants you to be emotionally stable. This person wants you to come out of the situation where you are feeling like you are cold and detached and off, and this person wants you to be passionate about them again, about this connection again. Okay, this is the first situation. And the second situation is that this person wants you to be very very clear and honest about this connection, because they are feeling like you are dealing with two people at the same time. Might be you are feeling love for one person and you are passionate with another person. This is the situation here. This is what is happening. Okay, so that's why this person wants you to come out of this situation, come out of this depressing phase of life, come out of this uh, sadistic situation of your life. This is the situation. This is what they want from you. Let's see, Sagittarius, what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see. Three of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person is coming towards you with the energy of let's work it out, let's talk it out, let's see where it is going. This is the energy that they are carrying for you till 10th of July. Let's clarify further. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles further. The Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo, Ten of Swords, and the Star could be dealing with an Aquarius. So this person is ready to put in the effort and put in the work, put in the energy from their side. And right now they are just trying to analyze each and everything before approaching you. They are trying to go within and seek answers. They are trying to, come out of a betrayal state of mind. Might be they are feeling like you betrayed them or somebody betrayed them and they were backstabbed by somebody. And they're very hopeful and positive about this situation, about this connection as a whole. And they are coming in towards you to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the teamwork in this connection. This is the situation here, Sagittarius. This is what is coming towards you till 10th of July. Might be there's a good business deal as well coming towards you. I'm intuitively telling you, but I feel like this is much more related to your work life rather than your career. Okay, as of now. So thank you so much, Sagittarius, for tuning in. This was really hard to do this reading today, but I don't know why. But yes, I tried my best to do the reading, to finish the reading. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.